So they can destabilize this. Whole hill now is destabilized. You know what? Little heavy rain we get is all going to wash. Okay? Number 2. Check your regional plan 2001. If this area from the corner here right till the end of Anjuna is not shown as settlement. Regional plan 2001 which was notified in 1985. Okay? Third point. What is CRZ? Land influenced by tidal action up to 500 meters from the high tide line. The high tide line spring. Is this land influenced by tidal action or it is a stable land? It's not a dune beach like Kalangut or Kolwa.
Okay.
Huni, Palolim and this Anjuna beach are shown as settlement.
In which plan?
Regional plan 2001 which was notified in 1985 December. Check it out. Okay. Now, Adarsh building in Bombay. Why was that not demolished? I intervene in that matter. With one word, that not. Land influence or land not influence. Adarsh was built on reclaimed land. Therefore, no problem. 3 chief ministers were thrown out because of that. Nothing happened. Building is still standing, 32 floors. Maybe I am the 33. So, how do we solve this CRZ understanding? It has to be looked at very carefully from all angles. Town and Country Planning Act, Panchayat Act, Land Revenue Code, and science.
But they are saying
and building code.
Demolition order against this Curlies or
demolition order because the judges in NGT also are not accepting. Nobody is bringing these points up. They don't give you a chance to bring. We need experts in the subject. Call people from the Directorate General of Shipping, where the law originally came from in 1981 as an executive order by Indira Gandhi. Bring the nautical scientists from the Directorate General of Shipping. Maybe they can explain it. What the science behind coastal regulation zone is. It comes from Section 5 of UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea. This is not a dune beach. Dune beaches, yes, there is a lot of play. You see at Miramar when the sand gathers, when the sand wind speed is more than 12 meters per second, the sand lifts up. And the wind is always playing with the sand. The tide is also playing with the sand, bringing in, sometimes eroding, sometimes accreting. But this is a pocket beach. Anjuna and Palolim are pocket beaches where the coastal energy is coming in straight and going out straight. Here we have these rocks to protect us from the longshore currents. So I can't become your teacher in 10 minutes with the cameras here. But it's time to go to court in a more, in a more organized manner with the proper scientists there to answer questions and dissect this entire CRZ notification, starting with Indira Gandhi's executive order of 1981, November 19th.
So today is Curlies, tomorrow?
Tomorrow maybe the whole coast, no?
Okay. Today is Curlies, tomorrow can be a whole coast.
Yes. If they continue like this, see, truth is one point. If you try to go shift it towards this side, something else will crop up here. It has to be done. It's a scientific law. It's non-ambiguous. It's very perfect. Before they used to say all ambiguous. Before they were saying, even some admirals, there's some, in the Times of India you can confirm this. Helicopter walkover. High tide line is a calculation. It's a calculation of elevation of tide, which is high and low on spring, and progenic spring, which is the highest high tide, which happens every 1.5 years. That is the tide to be taken, adding 3 mm for global warming every year, and depend on the development period, when the development of that locality is starting. It is not a single thing. Oh, no. It's a whole area. Like that's why this whole area is settlement. This whole area should have had an ODP plan, and infrastructure should be placed, and the development goes accordingly.
And what is the further order that it cannot operate any commercial business?
Yes. Yes. That is what I have got. I don't have any in my hand, but I have been informed.
What is the local authority telling you? Will they demolish further?
No, they'll go as per order because their council was present before in the Supreme Court.
So they will not demolish.
So they have already informed by their council.
Now stop, sir.
They have to stay. No, they are already. They are doing the further.
What about the land which they have done?
They will take that process further. No? That will come up in the next hearing. Right now, what we wanted is a stay. No.
So I think the land which they have dug up is illegal. It's against the CRZ.
It is what you will come to. I don't want to point right at this stage. Right now we gotta stay. Right, we'll relax. We'll talk to you later on. It's what you want.
Supreme Court has asked you regarding all paper.
I claim to be the owner of 40 to 10. Okay. With respect to that, can I stay here?
हां आणि सध्या कर्लीज बंद होटल चालू
हय कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करपाचें ना म्हणून सांगलें टिल द हियरिंग
हां नेक्स्ट हियरिंग केन्ना बीन कितें सांगलां
नेक्स्ट वीक आसतलें
Next week आसतलें.
आई कम बॅक टू यू ऑन दॅट
ओके
I think Friday it is.
तुमचे कंडिशन कितें आशिल्ली तुमी कितें सांगलें कोर्टाक
कितें
डेमोलिशन कित्याक करनाका बीन म्हणून
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टे न्हू रे सडनली तुमी आतां एकाक येता 24 वरां अशें जावकूच ना मरे तेच तुमकां रिपीट तुमी तांकां क्वेश्चन करपाक जाय मिडिया तुमी आतां ताका सांगता बाबा कितें जालां काय म्हणून 24 वरां येवंक ना मरे तेंच्यांनी आमकां तुमी तांकां विचारपाक बाबा इतकी हरी कित्याक आहा काय म्हणून
नॅचरल जस्टीस मेळोंक
हय कित्याक इतकी हरी कित्याक 24 वरां ना मागीर तूं चिंत मरे कितें आमी ते आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कॉमेंट तेजेर कांयच उलोवपाचें ना म्हाका फक्त इतकेंच की आमकां स्टे मेळ्ळा रायट नो इतलेंच तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता
पॉलिटिकल बी कितें
तें हांव काय सांगूंक शकना